G'day and welcome to Aussie Math. In this video we're going to be learning the names of fractions from halves to tenths. Alright, so let's start off with halves. Halves, if this is a whole, we know that a half is one of those pieces. So it's the whole shared between two, equally. We can write that as a half, or one half. Okay, then if we wanted to share it into three equal parts, so there's our whole. I'm going to share this into, so we've got three equal parts there. I'm going to colour one of them in. And when we have three equal parts, we call them thirds. Notice the word thirds, it sort of sounds a bit like three. If we have four equal parts, let's just do a circle there, cut that into four parts. And if I colour one of those, when we have four equal parts, we don't call them fourths, we call them quarters. And these ones are the ones that are a little bit strange, and after that it actually gets a lot easier. So let's just keep going. Yep, that's a mistake. I'm going to leave that one. So I'm going to draw it again. Let's forget that one. One, two, three, four, five. Now, technically, everything has to be exactly the same for them to be a fraction, because if they're bigger or smaller, it's not actually divided into five equal parts. But again, when I'm drawing them freehand, it's hard to get it exactly right. So this one has, let's imagine they're all exactly equal. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, and we're going to call that fifths. And fifths is a bit like 5. I'll just colour one of them in so that we can see. All right, the next one we're going to have a look at is dividing it into 6 equal parts. So let's divide it into 3 to start with. And then I'm going to divide each of those 3 into 2. So there we've got 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got 6 equal parts, we call them sixths. The next one is going to be a little bit challenging. Let's see if we can do it. So as this one's going to be 7 equal parts, so I'm going to just do it a little bit smaller than sixth. Then I'm going to cut that and I'm going to divide each of these into 3. So that goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They're not perfect, okay? That does have 7 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're not exactly as perfectly equal as I'd like them to be, but you know, sometimes you don't get it exactly right. Anyway, so that's sevenths when we've got 7 equal parts. Sevenths, and again, it has 7 in its name and then a th on the end. The same as sixths, has a sixth in its name. And then we have, after that, we have 8 equal pieces. This one's a bit easier. I can just go into 2, 4, then I cut that half and that in half. And we've got 8 pieces now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just going to colour one of them in. And we call them eighths. So it's E-I-G-H-T-S. GHT, exactly like 8. We've got 2 more to go. We've got, this one's going to be a little, oh, no, it's not going to be that hard actually. So this one we're going to do, there's my circle, that's my hole. Now this one's ninths, so I'm going to start off doing it into 3. And then I'm going to cut each of these 3 into 3. Now I can tell straight away they don't look all exactly equal, but there should be 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Let's imagine they're all perfectly equal, and we'll call them ninths. So it's the word 9 and then a th on the end. And this pattern of saying the number and the th goes from now on. So it's only these first few that have a bit of a strange one. Half, thirds, and quarters. Just got to remember them. And then it's fifths, sixths, sevenths, eighths, ninths, and keeps going from then on. So if we have, I'm going to cut that into half, and then I'm going to go a little bit smaller than eighths. Half, half, half. All right, hopefully that's 10 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces, again, not perfectly equal, but they should be. And we call it, when we've got 10 equal pieces, we call it tenths. Again, the name of the how many pieces there are, and then ths on the end. And there you have it. That's how you name fractions. This is something you will have to learn and get really familiar with. Hopefully that helps. And don't forget to subscribe because we're making new content all the time. And we also have a website that has a bunch of activities that will help you on your maths journey. Link in the description. Thanks very much, and we'll see you in the next video.